Hey everybody, it is time for me to show you guys what I get in my ads. I think this week in general is not the greatest for ads, but I wanted to show you guys what I get. So right here we got Fuji. There is a deal going on at CVS this week where you guys can get some Fuji, so I'm definitely going to take advantage of that. $2 off of Tropicana, Nature Valley, cereal. I see we get this stuff like all the time. Some kind of noodles, 75 cents off of Teddy Grahams, $2 off of Depends. We got Florester, Aleve, Huggies diapers, which is a pretty good coupon. Toffee, or I can't even pronounce that. Poise, Indiana Kitchen, $1 off of that. Here we're getting Palmolive and Speed Stick, which I'm pretty excited about. Seattle's Best coupons for $1.25. Candy, I'm pretty excited to get these candy coupons. I rarely ever get those kind of coupons. Kemp's, that's all, depends on everything. Here's just some random ads that I could care less about. 50 cents off of toothpaste. More tea. And then we got $2 off Colgate coupons. And then Lysol coupons, which are still great deals. So there's that. And then, sorry, I'm getting really sick. Or I've been sick. We got the Red Plum Crud Cutter. I'm hoping to get some deals on Crud Cutter. Here we got $2 off shower foam Dove, $1.50 off of Vaseline lotion. We got more Dove products. The buy one get one free Tresemme, which is a great coupon. Some, I think it's Tresemme, Dove, and Suave, $2, $2, and $1. Here we got $1 and $1. $1.50. That's a great coupon. $1 off men's. I'm hoping to get some deals at Walmart with that. Here we got more Dove products and more Dove products for men. Look at that. You get a shoe with an adjustable magic cling strap. That is awesome. That is just awesome. $1 off Newman's Own. Land O'Lakes eggs. Checks. And that is it, sorry. And then we got the number 7. So that was what was in my inserts. It's an okay, not the greatest, but I just wanted to show you guys what I get. I know everybody else gets random stuff, but I just wanted to show you guys what I get, and thank you guys for watching. See you later.